Okay guys, John speaking Spanish here again with a third video installing a new shift knob and a new shift gate. This is from AJT design. This color is gray or cement, and this one is from these people. Okay, this is the matte black with the gray line. First thing we do, turn this out, take it out all the way. All right, let's save that. Then here we go with the AJT. Go. It has like two on this side and two on the bottom side. You see? So that's about it. Next, the shift knob. Okay, so we go. Okay, so we don't want to go like that. And they give you an Allen key. Comes with it. Comes with a shift knob. It has on the front. You can see it right there. So this way you can, it's like a stopper pretty much. That's how it acts. So, the Allen key goes there. It's a perfect fit. Position the Allen key this way. Long ways. It's kind of easier to hold it, right? And then once it's stopped, then that's holding the piece. Okay. That's it. That's not moving, man. So that's the finished product right there. I'm liking it, I'll try it for now. Okay guys, I'm out. John speaks Spanish.